Hi, this is Rotimi Best from Classroom.io, and in this video, I want to give you a good understanding of what you need to put in mind before you self-host Classroom.io. So how you need to think about the dashboard, the student dashboard, and so on and so forth before you begin actual coding to like self-host the whole platform. So I hope this video helps you understand how everything comes together and how to properly structure your code. Okay, good. Now let's get into it. So the first thing I would recommend is that you've bought a domain for your um, self-hosted classroom version. So this means that you already have a domain that you want to hook up to your self-hosted version. Okay. In this case, in this video, I'm just going to use this reference, myschooldomain.com. Basically, this can be anything, but let's just use this for example. In our case, we are also self-hosting basically, and this is classroom.io.com. Okay. Now, your admin dashboard, basically, this is where you'll be creating multiple organizations. An organization basically is let's consider it as a folder or that holds up like groups, courses, students, assignments, lessons, and everything into one place, right? And then you can have multiple organizations. All right. Now, in Classroom.io's case, we have um, app.myschooldomain.com. That is the subdomain for your admin dashboard. This is where like you have the main administrator control over all the schools or organizations within your application, your dashboard, or your school in general. So like let's say for example you have like several like training organizations, right? Or if you just have one, that's fine. You can just create one organization within your admin dashboard, and that's fine. Okay. And in your admin dashboard, like I said earlier, you can create courses, lessons, assignments, grid assignments with AI, write content, invite students to enroll, create a landing page for your courses. Then you can invite teammates into your organization. You can customize the look and feel of the organization, right? The landing page and everything. Okay, good. Now that we understand the admin dashboard, the next thing you need to understand is the student dashboard. So now this URL is only for you, app.myschooldomain.com. This is not what you share to your students or people enroll with. When you create a dashboard, an organization, sorry, within the admin dashboard, you will be creating, it's going to be inserting into the organization table with the name and then a site name. This site name basically is supposed to be the subdomain that maps to your main domain, which creates the student dashboard. Okay, to give you some example. So like when you sign up on Classroom.io right now, just try out the admin dashboard. Oh, sorry, I mean cloud version right now. Just try it out and see how like it all works in general. Once you try it out, you have a good understanding of how yours should work. It should be the same thing, nothing special there. So in your when you sign up for Classroom.io on classroom.io.com right now, and you like go to sign up, it takes you to app.classroom.io.com, which is the admin dashboard. And in your app.classroom.io.com, you'll be asked to create an organization if you haven't, right? In that organization, we insert into the organization table, and we also have a site name, which you can also configure in the settings. Now, that site name is going to be unique for every organization you create in your admin dashboard, okay? And then you can see like an example, each site name is like a subdomain to your main domain. Note that like we're still referencing this main domain. App is an excluded site name, which is only meant for your admin dashboard, which you can probably change this to anything, right? You can change this to anything. It's configurable. It doesn't have to be app, but app is an example. You still have a document, like this video will probably be linked into the document or will also be shared online, but you would have access to the documents that actually shows you all the environment variables you need to set for all of this. So please go through that document. Well, this is to give you a high level overview of everything. Now, I already explained that subdomains match I'm actually supposed to say map to the site name in the database, right? So when you want to share your organization, like the landing page of that organization, you would use org1.myschooldomain.com, okay, or org2myschooldomain.com, whatever is the site name dot your domain, okay. This is why I said you actually need a domain to actually self-host Classroom if you want to do it properly. Now, your student dashboard, basically. So students get the URL to your student dashboard and they can enroll in your published courses. So let me give you a very quick overview. If I go to classroomario.com, one sec, here it is, classroomario.com, and click on dashboard, redirects me to app.classroomario.com, okay? Now, I can log in here and everything. I'm just going to quickly log in. Okay, good. I'm in my organization. Now, you see this button, view sites, and just to note, you see app.classroom.com/org/CIO devs. CIO devs is the site name. You can always change this when you come to settings and then current organization. You can see, so if I come to custom domain, you can edit that here. Okay, good. Now, let's go back to dashboard. You see this view site. Once you click it, this takes you to your subdomain. Okay, now this is the student dashboard. Okay, I'm already logged in as a student. That's why it redirected me to /LMS. And then you can see home, my learning, and explore. Okay, so like explore means like all your other published courses that you are not enrolled in. And then like students can see all the courses that are available. They can like open your published course. Um, they can enroll if they want to. They can go back to the LMS. They can see their courses they're currently enrolled in. They can continue that particular course, continue to the lesson where they stopped, right? And yeah, that is everything I wanted to share with you. You should definitely go over the document so you can properly configure this domain itself, and then like your admin dashboard. And then once you configure these two, you're good to go. Then like, yeah, you can continue with the guide. So yeah, if you have any questions, please leave. Um, you can create an issue on GitHub, git.new/class. And that's it. Thanks. Cheers.